Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name remains Popole Juma. I'm going to create a content based on information literature. So we are going to see what information literature is and so on. But I want you to put your concern too much here to understand what information literature is so that we can understand it together as a class. Mm, Information literature. It is a topic that has also subtopics in itself. So we're going to start with my first my introducing my name. My name is Kole Juma, and also if you want to follow me through my email, this is my email. This is my email that you can even follow me through it. And so in case you want more some okay, like what content does information literature have? You're going to know it, and then we go. Like table of content by definition information. Maybe we are going to know it by definition. And the second one is importance of information literature. The third one is the sources of information literature. Where like do you get them from to formulate maybe a topic and so on, maybe research about something. And then thereafter we conclude. We go to the definition. What do you mean by the term information literature? It's the ability to find and evaluate and use. It's the ability to find, evaluate, and use information effectively. It means you use information with the care and so on. But this information literature has branches where you can go to maybe to the person, the author, the writers, the author, and then maybe the person who cited it and so on. Maybe through by giving through the reference and so on. Let's go to the importance. We have the importance of influential literature. One, empowering critical thinking. It makes you think fast and you think far, like me, think with outside the box. And the second one is ensure academic and professional success. Like example, you can use it for passing exams, maybe like for your profession, maybe to in case you go further with education, it's also helpful. And third is promoting ethical and responsible content creation. Like this one, I'm creating content about influencer. In case someone who doesn't access also universities or schools and so on can access to also online and maybe learn it. Empowering long life learning. My content that maybe I upload in the media, it is still okay. The internet stays for long. Even someone who maybe my generation, even I don't know, my fourth children to come, they will also get my pension and learn out of it. Enhancing economic stability, you can also make money out of it, and so on. Other things applies as this. So by this, we're also going to the next slide where it talks about the sources. Where do you get this information literature from? One, there are what we call primary, secondary, and tertiary sources where you can get the information from so that you can build up maybe your content of what you want to make. Two, academic and professional gateways. These are like maybe through schools and maybe other institutes and so on. You can go and learn about it through like universities and so on. Libraries and professionals, maybe like places like resource centers where you find that they teach, okay, like they stock more books in the library. You go and research about this information that you want. And the other one is digital fact checking tools, like maybe from the Googles, the others, and so on. You can use it. One algorithm awareness, e.g., like use of AI, is what we call ChatGPT, DeepSeek, Google Scholar, so that you can use and search information for maybe to understand the topic more. And this is how much I can take you through it. And finally, we will go to conclusion where the whole, okay, like I just give you a brief outline about the course, and I just want you to know okay, what it means, and so on. Maybe for other informations, it will come later. Don't keep me in that, because anytime soon I will be dropping a video that may be also about information literature, but it will be on the subtopic that comes like on the slogan. We start by saying, in an ocean of information, literature is the life jacket. So good luck. Please like my video, share, and comment for more videos like this, so that next time when I upload a video, the update will just show onto your notification that S1 shall release, so that you can learn more. You can learn more of these videos in case next time. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe it.